Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Corolla oil filter, updated. Start by warming the engine briefly, then park on level ground and apply the parking brake. Raise the front with a floor jack and secure with jack stands, then place an oil drain pan under the filter area. Gather a replacement filter, new oil, an oil filter wrench, and gloves before you begin the removal steps carefully and methodically. Remove the old filter by first draining enough oil so the filter won't spill excessively when removed. Use the oil filter wrench to break the seal and turn the filter counterclockwise until you can remove it by hand, catching drips in the pan. Clean the mating surface on the engine and inspect the old filter's rubber gasket to ensure it did not stick to the housing before preparing the new filter for installation. Prepare the replacement filter by rubbing a small amount of fresh oil on the rubber gasket to ensure a good seal. Screw the filter on by hand until the gasket contacts the base, then tighten about 3/4 to 1 full turn. Avoid over-tightening. Refill the engine with the specified oil type and quantity, run the engine briefly to circulate oil, inspect for leaks, and recheck the oil level after the engine cools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.